Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable or disable switch access on ZTE Android TV Box. Switch access is an accessibility feature that allows users to interact with their devices using one or more switches instead of the remote. And it's particularly helpful for people with motor disabilities or other impairments that make it difficult to use a standard remote. To enable it, you'll need to click on Settings on the remote, then go down to Device Preferences, and now you'll be able to go down to Accessibility. Now, find Switch Access and you can enable it. Then click on OK and it's enabled. Now you can select the number of switches, either 1 or 2 switches, go to Next, then select how to scan, either linear scanning, row column scanning or group selection. Then click on Next and now you'll be able to assign switches and do everything else. I'll go to Previous. Actually, I don't have any switch here, so I can't really do that, but this is how you set it up. You can go to Configuration, you can change different settings here. Also, you can set up an accessibility shortcut to make it easy to enable and disable switch access whenever you need it. Just go to Accessibility Shortcut in Accessibility, then make sure Accessibility Shortcut is enabled and set Shortcut Service to Switch Access. Now, whenever you press and hold on down button and back button for 3 seconds, it will turn on switch access. I'll actually turn it off, and I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.